Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Jackie's here too, but she's not going to be in the video. So, great. So, this is me thinking in my brain. I don't
So let's move on. This one. The ones I don't really like that much, I'm not gonna do that long. This one. Then I have two left because this video is so short, oh my god. Thanks, Miller. Then I have this glitter one that it's from the store. Actually, the dollar store, so it's really bad. Like, look. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. It's really short because I really don't feel like editing that much. Because it's hard for me to edit. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Comment down below any other video suggestions. And I definitely need them. And I think next I might do a room tour or like 50 facts about me or something. Bye.